Hello everyone. Now let us see numerical for the calculation of transfer matrix or transfer function. So already I have told you transfer matrix or transfer function is given by ratio of by of s to u of s. It is c si minus a inverse into b plus d, where c, it is output coupling matrix, I identity matrix, A system matrix, B input coupling matrix, D transmission matrix, or input output coupling matrix. So with the help of this formula we can calculate the transfer matrix or transfer function. So how we can define matrix A, matrix B, matrix C and matrix D? We can define with the help of given state model. If we compare given state model with standard state model, already we have seen in previous numerical, in previous video class, we have the value of matrix A, matrix B, matrix C and matrix D. So here if I will compare given a state model with a standard model, that means x dot equal to ax plus bu and output equation by equal to cx plus du. Then we have system matrix A equal to 0, 3, -2, -5. Similarly, matrix B is given by 1, 1, 1, 1. Matrix C is given by 2, 1, 1, 0. And matrix D is 0. So after comparing given state model with standard state model, we have system matrix A, we have input coupling matrix B, output coupling matrix C, input output coupling matrix D. Now let us see with the help of formula. Already I told you we can calculate the transfer matrix. So here first we will define Si minus A inverse. Now let us see how we can define Si minus A inverse. So to define Si minus A inverse, first we will define Si minus A. I is identity matrix of size 2 cross 2 because matrix A size is 2 cross 2. Identity matrix of size 2 cross 2 we can define with the help of 1 0 0 1 minus matrix A, already we know it is 0 3 -2 -5. After simplifying we have Si minus A matrix according to S minus 3 to S plus 5. First element S, second element for first row -3, first element for second row 2, second element for the second row S plus 5. Now how we can calculate Si minus A inverse? We can calculate Si minus A inverse with the help of adjoint of Si minus A over determinant of Si minus A. In previous numerical already we have seen adjoint of 2 cross 2 matrix. With the help of same method, here we can calculate adjoint of Si minus A. We can also calculate determinant of Si minus A. So Si minus A inverse is given by Si minus A inverse is given by s plus 5 3 minus 2s divided by s plus 2 s plus 3, or we have s plus 5 over s plus 2 s plus 3, first element for the first row. Second element for the first row, 3 divided by s plus 2 s plus 3. First element for the second row, minus 2 divided by s plus 2 s plus 3. Second element for the second row, s divided by s plus 2 s plus 3. So this is a value of matrix Si minus A inverse. Now let us see how we can calculate the transfer matrix. We can calculate the transfer matrix with the help of C Si minus A inverse into B plus D. D, we know it is 0. So we have C Si minus A inverse B, because already we have seen D is 0. Now let us put the value of matrix C. Already be calculated 2 1 1 0, already be defined. Si minus A inverse already be calculated. Let us put the value of Si minus A inverse. S plus 5 divided by S plus 2 S plus 3. 3 divided by S plus 2 S plus 3, minus 2 divided by S plus 2 S plus 3, S divided by S plus 2 S plus 3. Matrix B already be defined 1 1 1 1. Now let us multiply matrix C with Si minus A inverse. We have result. Now multiply result with matrix B. So finally we have a transfer function matrix. Now let us multiply matrix C with matrix Si minus A inverse. I am directly writing. Everyone can multiply, because in 12th class already we have seen how we can multiply different matrices. So we have 2s plus 8 divided by s plus 2 s plus 3. Next element, s plus 6 divided by s plus 2 s plus 3. Next element, s plus 5 divided by s plus 2 s plus 3. Next element, 3 divided by s plus 2 s plus 3. So this is result of C Si minus A inverse. Multiply this result with the matrix B. It is 1 1 1 1. So after multiplication we have final answer for transfer function matrix or transfer matrix. It is 3s plus 14 divided by s plus 2 s plus 3. Second element, 3s plus 14 divided by s plus 2 s plus 3. First element for second row, we have s plus 8 divided by s plus 2 s plus 3. And second element for second row, we have s plus 8 divided by s plus 2, s plus 3. So this is required transfer matrix. That means ratio of y of s to u of s, or we can denote it with g of s. So this is my transfer function or transfer function matrix, or simply transfer matrix. So with the help of formula C Si minus A inverse B plus D, we can calculate the transfer matrix. आपको मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन आना चाहिए, आपको मैट्रिक्स का इन्वर्स कैलकुलेट करना आना चाहिए. यू कैन ईजिली कैलकुलेट ट्रांसफर मैट्रिक्स. You can easily calculate state transition matrix. Already we have seen in a previous video class. न्यूमेरिकल में या तो स्टेट मॉडल दिया होगा, आप गिवन स्टेट मॉडल को कंपेयर कर लो स्टैंडर्ड स्टेट मॉडल से, देन यू हैव मैट्रिक्स ए, मैट्रिक्स बी, मैट्रिक्स सी एंड मैट्रिक्स डी. मे बी आपको डायरेक्टली मैट्रिक्स ए की वैल्यू गिवन हो, मैट्रिक्स बी की वैल्यू गिवन हो, मैट्रिक्स सी की वैल्यू गिवन हो, या फिर मैट्रिक्स डी की वैल्यू गिवन हो. सो easily you can calculate transfer matrix, or easily you can calculate state transition matrix. So with the help of same concept, with the help of formula, you can try different numerical from the textbook or from assignment. Thank you.